Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. All thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who give us His mercy and blessing until we can meet and talk to this international seminar, the 4th Borobudur International Symposium 2022. Salawat and salam to our beloved Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who has guided us from Jahiliyah to the enlightened era. Very warm greeting to all of you, all the participants and the audience here for this seminar. Good afternoon. My name is Aris Rahmadi and I'm a lecturer in Informatic Engineering Department in Universitas Muhammadiyah Surakarta. I am more than grateful to stand here and present my publication paper. Today, me, Aris Rahmadi, shall be walking you through my presentation with the title Comparative Analysis of E-Learning Method to Improve Student English Outcome during COVID-19 Pandemic Period. This is my presentation outline. The first, background. In this beginning part, I will inform you the related issue of the research. What are the major problems that initiate the research and then raise the topic of the research? The second, objectives. In this second part, I will make a clear statement about the goal, the purpose, and the benefit of my research to overcome the previous major problem in the background section. And then the third, method. In this section, I will explain the methodology of the research that has been applied and some tools that are being used. The fourth, analysis. In the analysis section, I will explain detail about the data process and software result discussion. And then the last section, result. In the last section, result, I will conclude some critical point of analysis to answer the major problem that rises in the background section. English is the most and important international language communication tool in the era of modern globalization and global community. In Indonesia and in a common country, of course, English is a foreign language that has been studied since elementary school, junior high school, senior high school, and also in the university. However, most of students still cannot understand and communicate properly with foreigner after studying English for more than 10 years. Elementary 6 years, junior high school 3 years, senior high school 3 years, and university for approximately 4 years. And how about learning English in my university, in Universitas Muhammadiyah Surakarta? In Universitas Muhammadiyah Surakarta, we use TOEP, Test of English Proficiency, as a tool to measure student English proficiency as a foreign language. The TOEP examination shows that there are approximately 36.37% of students failed every TOEP test. This condition, the condition of failure rate, which is quite high, indicates that the process of learning English is necessary to be improved. And then this is the comparison result of examination test in early 2021. We compare the first period and the second period of 2021 in January and February. As we can see in the table, In 2021, there are 18 students of 53 which failed in TOEIC examination. And then in the second period in February, there is an increment of failure from 31 out of 61 students are failed in the TOEIC exam. This is the graph indicating evaluation of teaching learning process in my faculty of Communication Science and Informatic Engineering in Universitas Muhammadiyah Surakarta. Ya. There are 8 measurements. Number 1, class management. Number 2, course material. Number 3, learning method. Number 4, student interaction. Number 5, student feedback. Number 6, learning media. Number 7, references. And then number 8, satisfying level. Yeah. The red bars indicating old semester and the blue bars indicating even semester. Yeah. This graph shows that the two lowest components are learning method in number 3 and learning media in number 6. Yeah. The learning method was rated the lowest by students due to the transition from face-to-face learning, conventional meeting in the class, to distant learning or online class. There are limited transition preparation time, very limited preparation time, is a determining factor in the declining in the value of this aspect. Besides, electronic learning media need to be optimized related to the knowledge transfer process so that the failure rate of students can be reduced. Overall, the comparison of score in EDOM is our system to evaluate teaching learning process by students. Yeah, students score their lecture in EDOM system. Yeah. The comparison of score in EDOM aspect between the odd and even semester shows a decrease in quality. Yeah. The purpose of this research is to compare the result of the class-based learning model with two e-learning. The first, Schoology platform, and the second, open learning platform models. Yeah. And then the benefit of this research are expected to be able to provide advice to universities to reduce the failure rate of students in TOEIC exam and to improve student English skill in general. Methodology. The learning design begins with an introduction that contains clear instruction for students on flowchart and learning contract. After that, students can choose the desired learning branch in which the learning topic for each session are included. This is the example of e-learning platform using Schoology. As we can see, there are some branches of learning indicate with number 1 sentence with one clause, and then continue number 2, or we call it section 2, sentence with multiple clauses, and then continue to the other section. This is the example how to organize e-learning in Schoology. In Schoology, we can provide some quiz, some question and answer, and automatically the system will automatically give the result, the score result. And we can maintain the submission when the quiz start and where the quiz ended, and also we can give how many times to the students to do the exercise. If we allow the student to follow, to give them a second chance, and then we just adjust a time limit to 2 times, and then we can also maintain the grade by highest score or average score or the last score. And then we can also make a randomized order, and then we can also give the student a question review and resumable.